Hi there. So, while I was literally taking a walk, or just, I don't remember what I was doing, but I was just staring at my computer, just watching some videos, IDKY. Hi there. I was literally bored just scrolling on my computer, and then when I noticed I noticed literally there was something under my computer. Wait, what? What is this? An egg? Guys, please like to hatch this. Or you don't need to like to hatch it. Wait. It's hatching, it's hatching, it's hatching, it's hatching. Wait this. Description. Bye. See you. Anyways, that was my first dragon puppet ever. And don't get me wrong. It took me like an hour to do it. Like, I don't know, like 3 tries, and I finally got the perfect base. See ya, bye. See you guys. Bye. Like and subscribe, please, to make me happy. I hope we're gonna be close to 50 subscribers. Might be on the new 50 subs drawing. See ya. Bye.